Good morning, Shady Boo family. Royalty's not feeling good this morning, right, Boo Boo? They had 2 days off because of a Jewish holiday, and today was the first day back to school, and she's not feeling good. So on mommy duty, and today is also my birthday. I just turned 25. I'm so ecstatic.
25.
Yeah, you want to blow up my business? How old am I?
38.
Oh no, 25.
38.
Yeah, so I did want some wings from BBQs because I've been craving them. The sticky wings, if you're from New York, you know. But Royalty, because she has a stomach virus going on right now, she's not going to be able to eat that. So I don't want to eat it without her. So I'm going to wait till she feels better. And no matter how you plan your day, sometimes you just have to be stuck in mommy mode, which is okay. This is the sacrifice. But I do thank God for another day. I thank God for just being able, just that alone. The fact that I'm able, I'm capable, my legs work, my feet work, my hands work, my arms work, limbs, everything is together intact. I'm not suffering from any diseases or anything of that sort. So I am grateful to have more life, and God is so good. And although I'm in a phase right now in my life that seems very, very challenging right now, I know that I'm going to come out better on the other side. But I'm just grateful. And I want Royalty to feel better. So I'm going to go to, we have an appointment at 11 o'clock today.
I want popsicle.
I'm going to get you some. We have an appointment at 11:15, a virtual appointment. So once we do the virtual appointment and see what the doctor says, then I'm going to go to the store. I'm going to get her some popsicles, some apple juice. We have water.
Tomorrow?
No, today. And a few. Popsicles, apple juice, some bagels, some crackers. What else?
I don't want bagels for mommy.
I'm gonna buy them still, just in case you wanna feel like you wanna eat something. Then you could just have like a little butter bagel. Okay? Yeah. So, but that's it. I had a little coffee and a little turkey and cheese sandwich this morning. I had to go do a laundry. I'm grateful. I'm gonna go to Trader Joe's in a few, and I will see you guys.
Trader Joe's doesn't have
Meet in my accent.
Y'all do me a favor, stop asking about Greg, please. Stop asking about him.
Daddy doesn't.
We're on our way to bring Royalty to her appointment. We did the virtual appointment, and he was saying that he wants us to bring her to the clinic because it could be appendicitis, being that she pointed to an area in her stomach where it most likely, where I guess your appendix is. But she seems like she's okay, she's fine, but I guess better safe than sorry. No, you're not. But yeah, so other than that, I told you it's my 25th birthday. Um, I feel.
It's
Yes, it.
38.
No, I'm not.
She's 38. She's not 20. Does she look 20 to you?
I'm not 20. I'm 25.
Does she look 25 to you? They're gonna say no.
Look at the cheekbones.
No, they don't. Good thing I was born with 2
Okay.
extra eyes. Do you like it?
Nothing and shit.
Rude.
Don't tell him our handshake.
I know what to do.
Okay. I have to teach him.
Don't teach him
Are
anything.
you mad?
Try to give it over and shit. Come here, give it over and shit.
Ah.
That's
Exactly. Have your own.
Ow.
No, that's exactly. That's a boy's handshake.
Do that one. Do that one. Yeah, sugar finger.
That's a boy's handshake, royalty.
Sugar finger, what's that?
Exactly.
Alright, do that one. Do that one. Do that.
You know when y'all baby father just be bothering y'all? Like,
Hey, yo, what are you talking about?
why is he bothering me? Why are you bothering me? Ow.
Stop doing that.
Why you want to touch me, Greg?
I bited him.
And look at the baby father's child.
Ow.
So she's okay.
Ow.
She just can't go to school tomorrow. So it's like she's been basically, she went to school one day this week. 2 days was no school, Tuesday and Wednesday. Now Thursday and Friday she's home. Why are these kids even in school? So yeah. So on my 25th birthday I was in the doctor's. But you know, I was thinking if I had been like on vacation or something or somewhere far, I would have been like, oh my God, Greg, make sure so-and-so, you gotta make sure you take her to so-and-so, even though he knows how to take care of his child. But just as a mother, you just be worrying. And I remember when I went on vacation for my birthday before, and Zion was sick. And I kept calling my mother. She's like, if you call him one more time, he's fine. I know if this happens, take him to the hospital. But you just be, you know, as a parent, you just be worried. But yeah, so this is the second time I'm dealing with that, of my child being sick on my birthday. I did say I wanted some wings. I said I wanted some wings and a pina colada. But I don't want to sit in there. But my royalty can't really eat like that. So I don't want to eat it without her. So I'm not going to get that. I'm not going to get that. But tomorrow she can eat.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah. But I owe myself a big one for my birthday. I really, really do. And I think, God willing, I'm going to start planning my 39th birthday from this year. And yeah, so tomorrow I'll probably get me I'm not sure if I want a cake or what's a birthday without a cake, but I think I want something from my spot I go to, and I forgot the name of it, but it's pistachio. It's pistachio. You see the car? Look, remember I was showing you this? It gotta be somebody that lives in the area. This pink range right here. Somebody who lives in Lower Manhattan. Because I see it all the time now. But so I don't know what I'm gonna eat for dinner. Royalty can't eat like that today.
Mommy,
I don't want to eat without her.
It's like this.
How I was doing it. Don't?
Yeah.
That's what it's like. That's the preppy one? Okay. But Royalty is okay. She just has to stay hydrated. And a little bit I be frustrated that she gotta stay home, but not really, because those kids is contagious in school. And I feel better and safer when she is home with us. So, and that is probably a pro when homeschooling, because your children are with you. So the chances, not saying they can't catch a cold, but Royalty she already missed 1, 2, 3, 4. It'll already be 5 days since school started, and we're still in September. So, and that's all due to being sick. So, yeah, something gotta give. And y'all know I was waiting to watch my movie, Pretty Woman. Maybe I'll wait till tomorrow to watch it. That's my favorite movie in the whole wide world. I also said I was going to Target to get some wine glasses, because I was going to buy a bottle of wine. Clock it. Clock it.
Look at the picture, Mommy. Oh.
Still his card. Let's clock it. Still your baby daddy card. Clock it. Clock it. Okie dokie.